Statement to Cabinet members by Mr. President on the reshuffle of Federal Executive Council on Wednesday, 1st September 2021. On Wednesday, 21st August 2019, the current Federal Executive Council was sworn in after a rigorous retreat to bring returning and new members up to speed on the accomplishments, challenges, and lessons drawn from my first term in office, and to emphasize the 9 priority areas of government for the second term. 2 years and some months into the second term, the tradition of subjecting our projects and programs implementation to independent and critical self-review has taken firm roots through sector reporting during cabinet meetings and at retreats. These significant review steps have helped to identify and strengthen weak areas, close gaps, build cohesion and synergy in governance, manage the economy, and improve the delivery of public good to Nigerians. I must commend this cabinet for demonstrating unparalleled resilience that helped the government to navigate the disruption to global systems and governance occasioned by the emergence of COVID-19 shortly after inauguration. The weekly Federal Executive Council meetings was not spared because the traditional mode was altered. As we are all aware, change is the only factor that is constant in every human endeavor, and as this administration approaches its critical phase in the second term, I have found it essential to reinvigorate this cabinet in a manner that will deepen its capacity to consolidate legacy achievements. Accordingly, a few changes marking the beginning of a continuous process have been approved. They are as follows. Ministers leaving the cabinet. 1. Mohammed Sabo Nanono, Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development. And 2. Engineer Salim Aman, Minister of Power. Redeployment. 1. Dr. Muhammad Mahmoud Abubakar, Minister of Environment, to assume office as the Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development. 2. Engineer Abubakar D. Aliyu, Minister of State, Works and Housing, assumes office as the Minister of Power. In due course, substantive nominations will be made to fill the consequential vacancies in accordance with the requirements of the Constitution. I have personally met with the departing members to thank them for their contributions to discussions in Cabinet and the invaluable services rendered to the nation. Today effectively marks their last participation in the Federal Executive Council deliberations, and I wish them the best in all future endeavors. Finally, I wish to reiterate once more that this process shall be continuous. I thank you all, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That was a statement from the President to the Cabinet today. Thank you.
Subscribe and like our videos for updates.